Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 game not launching or won't launch issue on PC. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch Forza Horizon 6 game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. You have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on properties, and in the launch option first type -DX11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the Forza Horizon 6 game properties and this time type -DX12, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So if you have the game on in Steam, browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Forza Horizon 6 game folder, and then look for Forza Horizon 6 exe file and select it, and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it to the list, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the Forza Horizon 6 game folder, select Forza Horizon 6 exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example. You have to make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, or simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So if you have the game on Steam, go to the game installation folder, open C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Forza Horizon 6 game folder. First double click the Forza Horizon 6 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on Forza Horizon 6 exe file and then select properties, and then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking the Forza Horizon 6 exe file and then check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the compatibility tab and this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, from the drop down select Windows 8, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6, verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. Again, this is just an example. So you have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And wait for 100% verification of files to be completed. And after the 100%, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Again, it is a must. And after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. If you have the game on Steam, go to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Forza Horizon 6 game folder and then look for Forza Horizon 6 exe file and select it, and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, look for it in the list and expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance, and then I can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. Fix 9 is to download and install DirectX end user runtime web installer. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, here you can see DirectX end user runtime web installer. Click on download. Then run this dxwebsetup.exe file and install it. And then again restart your PC, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on properties. And here you will see the enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off, and after toggling off, go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. Now if you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps. For example, GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, etc. And then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just again restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Forza Horizon 6 game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 game not launching, won't launch issue, or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.